So this is 108 Myrtle 12A. I'm at the front door. To the right is the kitchen. Nice granite countertops, dishwasher, looks like a fairly new stove, stainless steel refrigerator, enough space for a little table for supplies to rest on. Looks like a well done bathroom. Pretty big size, large mirror. There's me. And an extra closet space for bathroom supplies in here. There's the shower. Coming out to the living room. Good space for a big enough sofa for 3 cushions. Going from this angle, he's got a desk set up, TV set up, coffee table, so definitely good size. Overhead fan, that's going to be great. And then here is the bedroom. Pretty good sized bedroom. Closets right there. Say this is a double or a queen, I can't really tell. But pretty good sized bedroom. Nice shot of the living room. Bathroom. And kitchen. So I'll send this over again as well. If you have any questions, give me a call whenever you can. And that's about it. Thanks, man.